Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Rainiers Family. Today I am super excited to share with you some amazing tips and advice for an epic trip to Great Wolf Lodge. Great Wolf is one of the best indoor water park resorts out there, so if you are planning to visit, this video is a must watch. So let's dive in.
Tips number 1, how to get discount rate. First thing first, make sure to book your stay at Great Wolf Lodge in advance. This popular water park resort tends to get booked up quickly, especially during peak seasons. So it's best to plan ahead to secure your preferred dates and room type. Booking in advance also gives you a chance to take advantage of any special promotion or discount that may be available. Follow their social media, Instagram, and get into any Facebook group. Even join their mailing list, that way you won't miss any great deals.
So next, let's talk about what to pack. Of course, swimwear is must for water park, right? Make sure to pack enough swimwear for each family member of yours, and as well as sunscreen, flip-flops, and water shoes. What about towel? Good news, you don't need to bring towels. Great Wolf Lodge provides towels at the water park. Just don't forget to bring any essentials you may need, such as the extra clothes, sandals, flip-flops, waterproof phone case, and camera.
Tips number 3, camera. Talking about camera and phone cases, this brings us to video recording and photo taking. Make sure you get them ready because you want to record all of the fun memories with your family, right? If you're wondering what camera we use for our water park videos, we use GoPro 10, Insta360, and our iPhone. They are all waterproof cameras. If you're interested on getting one of the cameras, please use the link below. And if you're interested to learn on how to use the camera, comment down below. We can do a video focusing on them.
Tips number 4, familiarize yourself with lodge activities. Great Wolf Lodge is not just about water park. There are a lot of activities and attractions within the resort, such as arcade, mini golf, ropes courses, and more. So take some time to familiarize yourself with activities available and plan your itinerary accordingly. Some activities may require additional fees and reservations, so it's good to know in advance to avoid any disappointment. To find out more about this information, go to their websites and you can simply ask the guest service. They will let you guys know. Or watch the full blog here, link on the top, here, or in the box descriptions below.
Staying hydrated is important, especially when you're spending a lot of time in water. Great Wolf Lodge has water fountains throughout the resort, so be sure to bring a refillable water bottle. Not only will this help you stay hydrated, but it will also save you money on purchasing drinks at the water park. Plus, you can easily carry it around with you as you enjoy the different attractions.
There are plenty of dining options at Great Wolf Lodge, ranging from casual eateries to sit-down restaurants. While outside food and beverage are not allowed in the water park, you can enjoy meals at the on-site restaurant or order room service. However, dining at the resort can be pricey, so it's a good idea to budget for meals and check out your dining options in advance to plan accordingly.
As with any water park, safety is top priority at Great Wolf Lodge. Pay attention to all posted signs and safety instructions, and always follow the guidelines and rules provided by the lifeguards. Make sure to supervise young children at all times and use the appropriate safety equipment, such as life vests when needed. It's important to prioritize safety to ensure fun and enjoyable experience for everyone.
Lastly, have an amazing time and make unforgettable memories at Great Wolf Lodge. With its exciting water slides, lazy rivers, wave pools, and other attractions, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Don't forget to capture your adventures on camera and try out new slides.
If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Let us know if you have any questions in the comment sections down below.
And don't forget to check our full vlog at Great Wolf here.
Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!